Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Right, I'm going to change the clutch cable on this because it's too short. The fitted apes and it's way too short. So what we're going to do is change this cable out for one with a braiding on as well. But you can see the amount of oil in this is frightening. That's all that was in it, coming from the States. So it just shows you've got to be careful, you know, what people put in. The original downpipes for the 2-into-1 thing, pretty good. This came off, obviously. Mufflers have seen better days, but proper Screaming Eagle by the looks of it. But not too bad a job. So basically what we're going to do, I'm going to also seal the tank because the tank needs doing. And then this will actually be up for sale at some point. But beautiful Springer, very low mileage, very, very rare bike to be honest with you. It's got the nice old-fashioned boards with the absorption dampers in. Proper, genuine Harley. Cracking bike. I've got to admit, this really is something else. I would like to keep it, but unfortunately, the way it is, you know, we're going to get rid of a lot of bikes. So we've got FXRs, we've got Dyners, 99 Dyna, absolutely immaculate. Very low mileage from the States that I had for 10 years when it was parked over there. But cracking bikes. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. But it just shows you've got to be careful when you buy a bike. Don't assume, for instance, the oil in this is correct. It's ridiculous. There should be a quart. That's not even a quarter of a quart, I'd have said. Also, the clutch was terribly adjusted. I mean, really bad. It slipped like hell. That was completely buggered. So a lot of work being done on this bike to get it 100% ready for sale. Thank you.